Hey there YouTubers, welcome to Blazebeat Racing. Today we're going go-kart racing at an indoor electric kart track that opened up nearby.
A lot of ground to cover.
My brother and I and a couple friends decided to check it out. As you can see, I'm starting at the back, 9th place, which is last. So it should be very challenging to work my way up to podium. My brother is starting in 1st or 2nd. The two other guys that I came there with, they're starting in the front half of the field. And so hopefully I can work my way up at least to the front half of the field here. This track is pretty hard to pass on because it's not super wide and the corners are really sharp. But as you can see here, the turning radius is not great. I found that out on the hairpin. But that's not going to be a problem once they click us up to full speed. They can adjust how fast they're allowing the karts to go depending on how skilled the people are and how much contact is going on. But yeah, after the first lap they click up the speed a little bit and then we can have some real fun. So I'm in 8th place now. We're not going full speed yet. Fast enough that I can take that hairpin nicely when I tap the brakes. Let off the gas a bit here and allows me to turn a little sharper. And this track uses a timing system called Race Facer that everybody has a profile on there and can track your lap times. So we'll see who has the fastest lap times at the end of the race. It's going to be hard for me to get really fast lap times when I'm working my way through the field, but it's possible I could be up there.
Thank you.
That guy allowed me to pass. I think he even tagged the wall there. So I'm 7th place now.
I'm coming for you, Alec.
Spotted my buddy Alec up there. He's going to be really hard to pass. And he's not afraid of some contact. In fact, he might try and take me out. But I'm not afraid to tango. I gotta put the pressure on though. Then he'll start making mistakes and that'll give me an opening.
Oh.
That was risky. I can almost get black flag for that. But I didn't expect him to cut right in front of me that hard. So I'm gonna hold off on that, on pressuring him that hard at this point, but he's already feeling it. His drifts are getting out of control now.
Thank you.
Oh, but he's not giving in yet. He's gonna squeeze me in. He got me back there. So I let him have that one. Oh. He's off his line. Oh. That's a bit of a hard hit for Alec.
I can see it.
I think they should have given them the blue flag to let me pass at this point, but finally managed to get by him here. So I lost a lot of time battling with him, probably about 2 to 3 seconds per lap of what I could get without anybody in front. see how hard this old dude is to get by. Shouldn't hit the brakes there. See a lot of people hitting the brakes there. The only corner you need to actually brake on in the whole track is the hairpin. There we go. I think he'll let me by here.
Thanks.
So I still think this isn't quite full speed of what these karts can do, but it's pretty decent. We're having a good time. They know that a few of the drivers in this field are not super skilled drivers, so they're holding off from that top speed setting. The trick to hitting that hairpin is to just tap the brakes while you flick the rear end, and then you can get around it real quick. This one, if you let off the brakes just a tad to help the rear end swing out, you can take that one in the middle of the track a little faster. She almost lost it there with that drift. And we're pretty much at the end of the race now. So that was a really fun race. Checkered flag is out. They're gonna give us one lap to cruise into the pits. And I took a picture of the results after the race. My brother won the race, which is not surprising because he started near the front and he's pretty fast.
Good race.
But the standings chart is gonna show our lap times, so I managed to get the fastest lap time still. My brother got the second fastest, and our buddy Nate, he got third fastest, and he also came in second place in the actual race. But really put a smile on my face seeing my little Lego Man profile pic there on the podium. So hope you guys enjoyed the race, and I will post more races from here using my motocross helmet and GoPro Hero 8 mount. I find that the helmet works really good for this. They allow me to use it there, so that's awesome. So you can expect to see more footage from racing at this go-kart track. And thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more.